Hey everybody, how's it going? So today this is going to be a quick tool haul that I got from Walmart, as well as a kind of a deal that I found that will be a your mileage may vary deal. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Hope you guys are doing well. Please, before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Alright, so we're not talking about the two boxes in the corner. There's nothing in the boxes. I already took them out. I just forgot to throw the boxes away at the moment. But, so I found this deal at my normal Walmart. I checked every other Walmart in Arizona, and the price is not the same. At every other store, it looks like most of them don't have it at all. When you look at the app or whatever, it shows when you look up this Quaker State 10W-40 high mileage synthetic blend motor oil, it shows my store out of stock because I bought the last 3 that they had. And when you look at a list of other stores, some stores it just says out of stock, period. It doesn't say anything else. Well, other stores it doesn't say out of stock, it doesn't say a quantity, it's just blank. And I guess it gives you the option to call that store. But these Quaker State SAE 10W-40 high mileage synthetic blend motor oil, I've never put Quaker State in the 4Runner. I always put 10W-40 in the 4Runner, especially during the hot set times of the year, and then I put 10W-30, which is what the 4Runner calls for, in the rest of the year when it's cooler. Anyways, I got these bottles for $7 a piece, and that's the your mileage may vary deal. If you find it, pick them up for $7. It is synthetic blend oil. I've had great success with synthetic blend as well as full synthetics oils. I was looking for full synthetic oil. I've been putting the truck's life had Valvoline in it for about 10 years of its life, maybe a little less, maybe about 7 years or so. And then I started putting in Pennzoil. Truck likes Pennzoil. I also started putting in Castrol. I put in Castrol Edge. I've put in, my favorite was Castrol Magnatech, but Castrol Magnatech is no longer made in 10W-40 anymore, and it was a full synthetic. So that's kind of aggravating. I can't get my favorite oil, the Magnatech, in 1040 anymore, and it's hard to find in 10W-30 as well. No stores like Walmart carry the Magnatech in anything other than 0W20 and 5W20 and 5W10 now. So it is what it is. But I picked these guys up just to give them a try. I've never used Quaker State oil. And I also picked up this 6-quart measuring and dispensing jug. This was $7. It says made in the USA, factory certified. High density polyethylene, easy grip handle, flexible spout, screw on cap. It's a nice little unit. It's very rigid. Doesn't have much give to it at all. Figured it would come in handy whether if I'm draining, oil into it, or I'm using it to pour oil in. It's the exact amount of quarts that I put in the 4Runner, so I could dump this in an entire 5-quart, and then I could make sure that the last quart I put in is exactly 6. It'll help me measure a little better if when I'm doing an oil change. It'll tell me that it's exactly 6 quarts and not 5 quarts and 3/4 of a quart or whatever, because sometimes I have small little portion bottles that don't have much left in them because they were overfilled from the factory. And then the other item I picked up is this 6-in-1 pressure washer nozzle. So this does 0 degree, 15 degree, 25 degree, 40 degree, It does fan pattern short range soap, line pattern long range soap. And what is the other one I'm missing? There's a 0, 15, 25. Oh, this has a 40 and 40 degree, and I'm missing the 45 degree. That's the degree that it doesn't have. This one is similar to the Ryobi one. I figured I'd give it a try. The Ryobi one this one was 19 bucks. The one at Home Depot, that is the Ryobi style. That one's a 5-in-1. I'm pretty sure that the Ryobi has a 45 degree, so I'll end up picking up the 45, giving it the Ryobi one, picking that one up and giving it a try. Not a big deal, but figure we'd give it a try. It's a little hyper tough item. Looks like decent made. It's pretty heavy. The 1/4 inch quick shank is stainless steel from what I can tell. But just a quick deal video. If you guys see this for you know, a 5-quart for $7 is a pretty amazing deal in my opinion, especially for 10W-40, because 10W-40 is not easy to find, and when you do find it, you know, like the Castrol Edge high mileage 10W-40, that is a full synthetic, but that is $28 a 5-quart. So because these are, they're not labeled as 4 quarts, they're actually 5 quarts. It says 1.25 gallons, 5 quart, 4.73 liters. So you always get 5 quarts in one of these jugs. So $7 is way better than, you know, $26 per. And I usually, when I buy oil, I buy it in quantity, because I like having, you know, full stock, you know, in case something goes wrong, or you know, like COVID, where things were hard to find. I have a full stock. You know, even during COVID, I was able to do oil changes. But and this light over here is just causing all kinds of issues. There. So, reason I picked them up is because I wasn't going to pass on $7. Doesn't matter the brand. The only brand that my 4Runner, my 2000 4Runner hates is Mobil 1. My 4Runner actually pukes it out of every orifice you can think of. Will puke that oil out. It will literally start leaking out of the oil pan gasket. It will leak out of the valve cover gaskets. It will leak out of front and rear seals, main seals. So when I figured that out, and the other thing is the engine didn't like it. It would literally burn it and eat it, and it would spit it out the exhaust. And some of the oil was unburnt. It would just spit out the exhaust. So as soon as I went back to, you know, like Pennzoil, Castrol, Valvoline even. Valvoline is great oil. The engine stopped puking it. It stopped leaking out of the valve covers and stopped leaking out of the oil pan and everything else. I just think that the Mobil 1 oil is too slick, and it's too minimal on the viscosity, and it just slips through small little cracks. So that's why I refuse to use Mobil 1. I'm not the only person on the planet that has stated the exact same things about Mobil 1. Lots of people have had issues with Mobil 1, and it seeping by, you know, Mobil 1 being used in a brand new 2021 car, and all of a sudden now there's oil leaks all over the place for that car. Mobil 1 has a tendency to leak out of the tiniest, minute gaskets and cracks, and that's just the way it is. But if you guys find this deal, your mileage may vary, but it's an amazing deal. $7, you know, for $21, I picked up 15 quarts of this 10W-40 synthetic blend high mileage oil. compared to almost $90 for 3 of these if it was like Castrol Edge, which is $28 a 5-quart. So, you know, it's a great deal if you find it. I hope it helps you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. Do appreciate you guys hanging out with me today, checking out the video. You guys all have a safe rest of your day, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace!